What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, we're discussing LAES and where this is heading from here now. With that said, this is going to be a no BS price prediction as to where LAES is headed. Spoiler alert, it's going to be bullish, okay? However, I do anticipate some turbulence along the bullishness. So with that said, let's stay put, and here are the things I have to say, okay? Don't just go ahead and go, oh, he said it's bullish, bye. No. Hear me out, okay? Now today's video is going to have three parts: the why, the what, and the when. Why am I bullish? What is this company, and what am I bullish about, pretty much? And when should you enter? When should you get out? So with that said, hit the thumbs up button and listen, guys. My birthday is coming up on January 15th. I only have one wish: to be at 25,000 subscribers before my 25th birthday. Hit that subscribe button. If you watch these videos regularly, man, hit that subscribe button, okay? Thank you. So with that said, let's get into it. So LAES. LAES has been one of those tickers which we've covered multiple times, guys, and has been on a massive uptrend. So what is LAES? Well, first things first, guys, in order to understand where a stock is headed, we first need to analyze what has caused it to get to where it's at right now. So what has caused LAES to run from 43 cents per share all the way upwards of $7 per share? Well, this is going to be none other than the fact that this is a company which is in a very, very hot sector right now, aka the quantum computing sector. The quantum computing sector, guys, it's one of the hottest sectors right now, and it's going to be one of those sectors that comes and goes, right? It comes and goes, and I think that as time passes, we're going to hear more and more things about quantum computing, and this is a sector that's not going to go anywhere. And LAES has now established itself as one of the quantum computing major players in the stock market, right? Whether they are or not, I know people are going to say, oh, well, Nvidia is obviously bigger than LAES. Yes, but we're talking in the penny stock aspect of things, right? And I think that so many people don't really get an understanding of this. Like, it's the same way where, we were bullish on BTCT at once, right? Once upon a time, we were bullish on BTCT because we understood that, hey, this is a company that has now become the leader in the Bitcoin space, right? The crypto space. They've chosen this company as a small cap crypto stock, right? And it went absolutely crazy. And then they announced massive dilution. So then the stock ended up selling off. But when it comes to Laes actually hasn't done this yet, okay? Laes actually hasn't done this yet. So we haven't seen a massive rug pull yet. Now, I would say anywhere below 480-ish, it's going to be bearish, right? Or even maybe we can even see down all the way down to 350, right? And I'll tell you guys why when it comes to this ticker, I am so like, I have such wide ranges when it comes to my bullish or bearishness, because this is one of those companies, and I've said this before, right? I said that this is one of those companies that A, they love diluting, okay? But B, they also know how to play the news cycle, right? Like literally yesterday, they announced some news and the stock ran from, let's go over here, right? The stock ran from $7.30 all the way upwards of $9 per share. Okay? So they know how to play the media game. They know how to play the PR game. Okay? And I think that's actually very, very important for us as traders to know, because we want a stock that the company understands how to drop catalysts for the company, right? And when you look at LAES right now is a company with only a market cap of 600 million, right? Now, this isn't per se the smallest market cap stock in the markets. However, it is still relatively volatile, right? Compared to billion-dollar companies like freaking Nvidia and stuff like that, right? Or even its competitor, right? RGTI. There's another one everyone always is asking me about. Like, RGTI has a market cap of freaking $5 billion, right? So when you compare a $5 billion company and how volatile it's going to be to LAES, well, then you obviously understand that, hey, it's better to go ahead with LAES because this is a company that understands how to draw PR and how to play kind of like the news game, right? And also, this is a company that is a lot more volatile than RGTI. Okay. So there's that. Now, when it comes to their finances, another thing that I really like about this company is going to be their finances. Now, we will talk about their short interest because that's also very massive. But let's go ahead and do our ranking. So when it comes to volatility, their volatility is okay. Again, it's not the best, it's not the worst, it's okay. Now, the next thing which we want to talk about is going to be the company and their cash on hand. So when we go over here, we see that the company right now has 98 months of cash left on hand, considering that every single month, every single quarter, my apologies, every 3 months, they burned $2.2 million, and right now they have $72 million worth of cash left on hand. So we're going to go ahead and put their cash also on good. Now, the next thing which we want to talk about is going to be their probability of rug pulling us. The probability of them rug pulling us right now, guys, is actually relatively low because their oversupply is low, and also their cash need is also low, meaning that they have about 98 months of cash left on hand. So, and the stock right now is relatively in a pullback zone, right? So I think anything above $9 is where they love kind of selling those shares, right? But right now it is in the pullback zone, so I don't see them really going ahead and diluting us and rug pulling us. So for this, we're gonna also put this as good, right? Okay, now breaking news, it was the quantum space, so we're going to put it as okay. Now, next thing we want to talk about is going to be the short interest, okay? So when it comes to the short interest, guys, right over here, let's go to short interest. Now, this is actually crazy because the short interest of the company right now is sitting at 80%, 78.6%, guys. This is massive. This is insane when it comes to short interest percentage for a company, right? And when we go over here, we see that, it's up 70% in the past 2 weeks. Let's see how it's been changed the past 7 days. Up 9%. It's up 70% the past 2 weeks. So a lot of people have been jumping on the stock and shorting it. And I'm telling you that, if the markets turn around, because right now we are also experiencing a little bit of volatility in the broader markets, which always ends up trickling down to the, pennies, right? I mean, we've never had the bigger markets crash and have a red day and then the penny stock markets are flourishing and oh my god, penny stocks are amazing. No, that's never really what happened. It usually just trickles down with more volatility down to the small cap stocks. Okay, so there's that. Now, so with that said, their short interest is massive. So if they drop some good news, it's gonna go crazy. So their short interest is gonna be great. There's that. And then now let's talk about the chart. Okay, and where should you get in, where should you get out? Because I think this is the most important thing, right? So right now we covered the why, we covered the what, and now we're on the when, right? So when it comes to the when is probably the most important thing. And I'm gonna tell you guys right after I tell you guys this. Guys, if you guys want to trade alongside us every single day, stocks like Laes, before they go on these massive parabolic rallies, check out our Discord, okay? Check out our Discord. If you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, check out our Discord. We trade stocks, we trade options, we do here. Let me show you guys right over here, right? So we have day trade alerts, we have swing alerts, we have option alerts, we have it all, okay? Check it out. The first 7 days are free. After that, the next 30 days are money back guarantee. HTWC today, we made some gains on it in our community. TPET today, we had a banger day on it, right? We've been kicking ass, guys. We've been kicking ass, okay? We have over 500 members, guys, coming back month after month after month. Why? Because people are making money, right? There's a reason people keep coming back. It's because people are making money. Give it a shot. The first 7 days are free. After that, the next 30 days are money back guarantee. I'm telling you guys won't regret it, okay? Tempo Trader says, not too shabby, makes no sense lying. It's all thanks to Salmon Energy Racing, 100% the past month in the portfolio. Saw they should have held tendency, right? Made a killing over there. RR, we made a killing on that. Read this sentence, right? Cooler profits 560 and 802 accounts, up 11,409 days trading with you guys in a 25K account. Up 11,409 days. Again, guys, there's a reason people keep coming back month after month after month, even though we offer a 7 days free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Check that out, man, okay? Puma Blue says, I just want to say thank you. I just want to say that my portfolio went from 8K to 21K this past month. I can't wait to be patented free. After all the mistakes I made in the past, thanks Energy Racing. Took a long break. Now I'm back. Sam Best Trader, thank you, my man. We're kicking ass, guys. We're kicking ass. Give it a shot. I'm telling you what I would do. I would personally join. If I were you, I would join for the first 7 days, see if I make money or not. If I make money, I'll stick around. If I don't make money, I'll pack my bags and I'll leave. That's what I would do. Okay? That's what I would do. Now, one more thing when it comes to the community is that right now, leading up to my birthday, the next 10 members that join, they get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. So if you guys have ever been interested in joining it, there's no better time to join than right now. Okay? Check that out, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. And again, remember what I said, right? We have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it. Lessons, one-on-one access to me. Everything's given to you guys. I'm telling you, you guys will not join. Ahmed says, I just joined yesterday at 1K. LAS. Give it a shot, guys. Give it a shot, okay? The link is in the comment section and description. I look forward to meeting you guys in there. Now, let's move back to LAS and where I see LAS at it. So, LAS, when it comes to support levels, guys, it does have a relatively strong level over here at $5.30. This $6 level has also been doing a very good job holding the $6 level. So, I think it's trying to establish a stronger level over here. Previous low of these candles, previous high of this candle. Over here, we have a little bit of a setup set after this fake breakout down over here. And right now, of course, we have it right over here. So, let's go ahead and draw some lines for you guys because I do understand that the lines do help you guys a lot better to see exactly what I'm seeing. Guys, I've been doing this for a very long time, so my eyes are like, I just see levels. I see levels and I'm like, okay, yep, that's the level. That's the level. $6. Let's just go $6 right over here. Bam. Okay, so that's the $6 level. Then the next level for us to look out for, guys, let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. So from a resistance level, this level is very important. Okay. This, let's say 750, this 750 level, as you guys can see, bottom side of these candles, 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 right? And remember, right? So how come you guys may be like, oh, but this is support? My friends, broken support becomes resistance and broken resistance becomes support, okay? So that's another thing for you guys to remember. Next level which we have is going to be this $5 level, okay? This $5 level is also very important for the stock, right? We did get a pullback when it was kind of ripping to 670 down to 5, and this is kind of where we started buying LAES in our own community, right? We started buying at $5 and we rolled it all the way up to 11, so that was a pretty good trade. I do believe this candle actually went down to 5 though, 532 it went down to, okay? We bought it at like 550-ish. Interesting. I think it was here we bought, not the other price. Now, that's my take when it comes to LAES, guys, okay? Again, listen, let me tell you something. When it comes to stocks like LAES, okay, this is what you want to be doing. This is how you want to be buying them. This is how you want to be trading them, all right? Whoa. This is how you want to be buying them. This is how you want to be trading them, okay? And this is going to be me just giving you guys some free sauce, okay? Some free game for you guys. So I would appreciate it if you do hit that thumbs up button. When it comes to stock like LAES, you don't want to go ahead and exhaust all your purchasing power at once. You don't want to go all in at one level. I get it. I understand it's sexy. I understand it's nice. It's attractive to go ahead and just press buy and then see green and then press sell. I get it. But if you want to see actual real profits, you need to be willing to get your hands dirty. That's what I've learned in the stock market. You need to be willing to get your hands dirty, either with the stress of using bigger position sizing or with the stress of being willing to see red for a while and then see a lot of green. Okay, ourselves in our community, right? You know this TPT trade that we were talking about, right? Guys, TPT, we've been red on it for like a week now, right? But guess what it did today, right? It pumped all the way upwards up to $1.52 from the dollar levels which it was. So it gave us a 50% rally today on TPT. But guess what, right? When I sent out, oh my goodness, I'm drawing all these freaking lines over here. Let me go ahead, grab my cursor again. Right? When I went ahead and I posted a buy over here at $1.15-ish, right? And it kept dipping, and kept dipping, and kept dipping, and it went all the way down to $1. Do you know what the chat was doing? Do you know what the same people that are posting wins now were doing? Right? Do you know what they were doing? Oh my God, is it done? Is it over? Should we cut the losses? Is it game over? Is it over? TPT's done. TPT's going to 0 now. Is it done with TPT? Are we over with TPT? Is TPT over? And I'm like, no, just hold, relax, average down. And then today, we get this big ass candle all the way from $1 to $1.52. Okay, so again, my friends, what I'm trying to say to you guys, right, the point I'm trying to make is that when it comes to these plays, you do need to use a little bit of patience. Now, we do have multiple of these plays ongoing for us, and this is basically pretty much what we do in our swing trade positions, guys, is that we go ahead and we average into these, you know, highly likable to pop up in the future setups, and then when they pop up, we end up closing our position. If you ask me, it's the easiest strategy, and yeah, I mean, there's no better way of kind of explaining to you guys than showing you, right? And this is why we offer a 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. No other Discord is doing this. No other Discord is giving you a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. I'll tell you guys why. Because they know the moment you join, you're going to smell the shit and you're going to pack your bags and leave, and you're never going to come back. Our Discord, there's a reason why we have almost 600 members. Over 500, almost 600 members right now. There's a reason why. Give it a shot. You won't regret it. Right now, the next 10 members that join, 50% discount. But that's it, my friends. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy and trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.